guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I am today so happy. My husband has gifted me this very beautiful mic and it's so easy to record now. Beautiful top is a gift to me from my brother and sister for my birthday. So first of all, welcome to my channel. So if you have not subscribed my channel, then make sure to subscribe it right now, because we are going to come up with a beautiful boho collections, and especially those are earrings. So if you are someone who just loves to have those very boho and very Indo-Western types of earrings, then make sure to subscribe, because we are coming up with all these new collection and I am really excited for it. Today I am shooting from my room because the living room was not available for me. So anyways, so today I'm going to show you one of my best collection. This is what I have made for my small Instagram store, and this are so pretty. I mean, just look at this. These are the thing that you always need to have into your wardrobes. So these are very beautiful vintagey crochet style earrings, which are totally boho stylings, and you can style them up into your Indian Western or any of your outfits. So you can see these are so pretty. I'm going to show you how it looks, but just look at the finishing, just detail. The thing is like just so boho. The colors are so bright, so unique, and of course you can style them up with any of your outfits. So it has not to be necessary a one piece or top. I've just worn a top. I'm going to style this and show you. It looks so premium, so classy, and it's even not necessary to go and all those colors that you see. Those are really very bright and very poppy colors. So if you are even wearing black, white or any other nice color, again it will go and it is going to pop out because the colors are so bright. So you can style them up onto any of your colors also. So here's the most beautiful earrings. You can see we have two little hearts. One is small and the other is so big, and they look so beautiful. Even if it is so huge, it's absolutely lightweighted. What else do you need? I mean, I just love to wear these earrings all the time because it doesn't even feel that you are weighting, because it's so lightweighted. You don't even feel that you are wearing something into the ears, and that's the most beautiful thing when you style with these crochet earrings. I mean, I just love it. So here you can see, wow. So I've styled it already. I've already uploaded a reel. This looks so classy, so beautiful. So this was a demanding video. So a just random follower just came up to me and said, ma'am, you have uploaded a reel, I just need a complete video. So I was forced to make a video today, and I'm going to upload it sooner. So I was forced to make a video, and this is how it looks. I mean, so beautiful. So this is the beautiful crochet. These are really lightweighted, you know, you don't have to do anything. See, I've just made a very simple makeup because I am really not into the makeup, because I don't like it much. See, I have just made very simple effort to just make up so that the looks just comes out automatically. So this is very simple makeup. I've just applied some of the concealer, some of the powder, and I've just put an eyeliner, eyeshadow and kajal, and a very tinge of lipstick because I don't like lipsticks on my lips. So this is a very tinge of a very light shade that just matches my top. This is a very simple top. I mean, say it is off shoulder. I have made it, but it's not an off shoulder, but just to give it a pure cute look. So I've just wore this a little fancy, you can say, and I'm just putting on these earrings. I can see the complete look. Oh my god, it was going to change the entire look. See, I mean, just look at this look. I mean, like, it looks like I've done so much to the dress, to the top and everything, but actually I've not done anything. This is the beauty of boho styling that I was telling you in earlier videos also. These stylings are that you don't have to do anything. They just pop out so well, and you are going to love this. So you can get it customized also into any of your favorite colors or any of your dresses colors, and these are so pretty. I mean, this is matching my top and I just love it. So I've made these ones for me because I wanted to style this top for my birthday, and I've just styled it. So I just got this top as a birthday gift, and I just had crocheted this very beautiful earrings just to go with the outfit, and to make my day I gifted this earring to myself. I just love it. Something that you can gift to yourself something handmade, something very cute, very bow. This is what I have gifted myself. So you can get it customized into any of the colors, and you can see this look is so perfect. You don't have to do anything. I just put all the hairs behind and see. This is a thing that makes you classy, just classy by doing nothing. This is all what you can also do. Just do a little bit of makeup, just choose any colors, tops, kurtis, anything. You can do anything and you can just style this up and you will look so classy, so premium, and of course it looks such a royal feeling. So actually when it comes to styling, I really don't like to do a lot of things. I just want very simple, very few and very simple things, and this is what I love to create. I see all these things on Pinterest, and when you go to market, actually you do not get any such things. So I started crocheting and I just fell in love with making all these cute accessories which makes your outfit go look so premium, so classy, and of course they are handmade. So you can just see the beauty of these earrings, just looks so wow. So I'm going to show you, and this is what a boho earrings do, and these are so pretty. You can see this has two little hearts, and we have also given a shade which is very different. So you can see the top is with yellow and pink, and down it is pink and pink. So we tried to make it more colorful, more brighter, more unique, and which can actually go with all the things. So yellow is a shade which can be paired into any of these earrings and into any of the tops and everything, which can be paired into any of the colors actually. So this is how it looks. It's so classy. You can see this is the stylings that I always love, and you can see this beauty. I mean, just so simple and so unique. So there's going to be a fight between your sisters and your friends, because actually they're not gonna get anything such into the market, and this is all you can get with from us. So these are best for gifting also, when your friends and families and you just want to give them something very unique, very bohoish, and something that they can wear all the day, all the time, and for any events also. So you can see actually right now there are cocktail parties, there are weddings, there are so many different things, and people always look for things which are unique and they actually don't get. If you go to the market, you will get same thing in one or the other shop, and you can just skip on and jump into other stores. So these stylings, actually there are wedding henna, there are now, it is like wedding season, and there will be cocktail parties and everything where you need some Indo-Western stylings, which is exactly a boho stylings is all about. They are Indo-Western styling. Now it's gonna be all wedding season up, and there will be all cocktail parties and different types of parties, haldi, mehndi, everything is gonna go on. And now people look for really very Indo-Western stylings. They are tired of having those particular traditionally things. Their outfits are really traditional, but their accessories are very Indo-Western or Western. So particularly if you are looking out for something like this could be the best choice. You can have your entire attire, and this will give a total 100 look to your outfit. This is so purely in love with these cuties, because you can see it is so simple, but it actually makes you feel so luxury, so chic. I mean, I love it. And this was the top, and I just wore this for my birthday, and I also got this very beautiful earring crocheted by myself, and they look so pretty. This complemented the entire look so much, and you can style them up onto your tops, your one piece, your normal regular tees, and also now there are most trendy things going on, those are corsets. So any bright colors, simple colors that can just pop your outfit up with these earrings. They are so premium class. You can just see the styling. I mean, this looks so premium. You can style them into any of the events. So there are so many events coming up, your birthdays, your parties, your DJ nights, anything. And now those weddings, all those cocktail parties and everything. So of course you can style them up into any of these upcoming events, and this is going to just make you star So you can style them up into so many different stylings as well. And I'm sure everyone is going to ask you, you are going to be the star, your earrings are going to be the star of the day, because everyone is going to come and ask you from where have you bought these, and you are not going to get this anyway. So you can be the star of that day, because these earrings are going to kill everything. There's this beautiful earring that I have crocheted. These are so boho, so chic. I mean, I just love it. You can just see how pretty they are. I mean, too good. I just love them. We have more collection that we have created. I'm going to show you each and everything. So these are so light weighted, you don't even feel anything into the ears, because it's all yarn, and you know how much a yarn weighs. So these are so pretty. You can get color customized into any of your favorite colors, but I totally love this color, and so I'm really so happy to style these. But of course, you can get any color customized. If you want, you can just DM us onto our Instagram store. And if you like these stylings, then make sure to follow, because we are coming up with all these beautiful boho stylings. There are many more articles that we are going to show you, many more bows, many more earrings, and everything is gonna come into the upcoming videos. So make sure to follow me onto my Instagram and also my store, where you can purchase these beautiful earrings. These are all made in India. So this is a proud moment to say that we make in India. And of course, these are the stylings that just makes your culture and everything go on to the above level, because these are Indo-Western styling. What is the beauty? That's the beauty, that's the courage, and everything about India. So we are coming up with all those Indian stylings which are going to be very unique, and of course you have not seen them yet anywhere onto the internet, because they are all Pinterest inspired. I just love Pinterest, and the stylings, these are also one of these Pinterest inspired stylings. I really don't get these into the markets, and I love to crochet out them. So do let me know, guys, how did you find this very beautiful earrings? Make sure to follow me onto the Instagram store. Both the links are down in the description box below. And if you want to buy it, then do DM us onto our Instagram store. For stylings and everything, you can follow me onto my personal ID. You will get that link onto the description. And make sure to follow and subscribe our channel. Do share it with each and every of your friends. And make sure to comment that how did you like these earrings. If you even don't like it, then do let me know that you didn't like it. Then I will try to make something very beautiful, very creative, whatever you like. Do let me know what will you like to see into the next and upcoming videos. We'll definitely try to make those things also, which will be little demanding. Then I will just check out how can I crochet. So do let me know how did you find it, and make sure to follow me and my channel, and see you into the next video. Bye bye.